Let's now talk about the Renmai or the conception vessel pathway. The Renmai is synonymous with conception vessel. It has two relationships. One is with its yin-yang pair. Renmai is paired with Dumai. Second pairing is the central peripheral relationship. Renmai is paired with the yin chao mai. Regions supported by this pairing are as follows: the face, throat, thorax, lungs, diaphragm, and abdomen. Its opening point is lung 7 and coupled with kidney 6. Now let's explore its pathway. The extraordinary vessel Renmai originates like the Chongmai and Dumai in the lower abdomen, or according to some authors, at the kidneys, and then connects with the urogenital area and emerges at the perineum at Ren1. From there, the external pathway ascends the anterior midline, passing the abdomen, the chest, and the throat. It terminates on the chin in the labial groove at Ren 24, where it meets the stomach primary channel and the extraordinary vessel Dumai. From here, the vessel continues internally, encircles the inner surface of the lips, and connects with the Dumai at Du28 beneath the upper frenulum. It divides into two branches, which both reach the infraorbital ridge at stomach 1, where they cross the stomach primary channel as well as the extraordinary vessel yin chao mai and terminate near the eyes. An internal branch runs from the perineum to the spine, penetrates the spinal canal at Du1, and ascends in the spine. For its connections with other channels and organs. For the channels, Renmai is connected with Dumai, the Chongmai, kidney, and stomach primary channels, and the kidneys. Clinical importance. As the C of the yin qi, it regulates and circulates the yin qi, including blood, essence, and body fluids, in order to nourish and moisten the body. It connects all yin channels, especially those of the lower abdomen. It controls the anterior thoracic region and the abdomen. It has close relationship to the functions of the abdominal organs, particularly the kidney, bladder, uterus, and lung. It regulates reproduction. It stores the essence qi overflowing from the yin channels and absorbs excess from yin channels, especially stagnant qi and blood. Here are some notes about the Renmai. Both the Renmai and Dumai have a unique position among the 8 extraordinary vessels. They are the only 2 extraordinary vessels with their own specific points. All other extraordinary vessels can only be accessed through points on the primary channels. For this reason, the Renmai and the Dumai, together with the primary channels, are often categorized as 14 channels. However, from the point of view of channel energetics, this is not correct, since the extraordinary vessels occupy a special position, both evolutionary as well as functionally. The pathway of the Renmai, like that of the Dumai, is limited to the torso and the head, while it does not course along the extremities and does not have any points on the limbs. Neither general points nor specific points such as the 5 chute transporting points, UN source points, and others. It does have an opening point or a master point. The Renmai is also referred to as the Sea of Yin and governs the Yin in the whole body. Along its pathway are located the anterior aspects of the energy centers or chakras according to the Yugi tradition. Taoist tradition describes 3 energy centers, the 3 cinnabar fields, the Dantian on the anterior aspect of the body, which plays an important role in Qigong practice as centers where the Qi pools and originates. While all 3 centers are located on the pathway of the Renmai, they do not correspond to specific points, but rather to certain areas. The renmai runs along the inside of the body. It contains not only several frontme points acting directly on the Zangfu organs, but also multiple meeting points with other channels. This clearly denotes the outstanding importance of the renmai. Here are some specific points according to their function. As mentioned earlier, no points are ascribed as Yuan source point. The Lu connecting point of the renmai is Ren 15. There is no Shik left point, no associated back shu and associated front mount points. There are also no 5 shu transporting points. As for the Hui meeting points, we have as follows. Of the Qi, we have Ren 17. The Hui meeting point of the 4 organs is Ren 12. Pertaining opening point is lung 7. Pertaining coupled point is kidney 6. There is no lower Husi point. As for the Jiaowei meeting points, we have as follows. With the Chongmai and Dumai, we have Ren 1. With the liver channel, Ren 2. With the spleen, liver, kidney channels, we have Ren 3 and Ren 4. With the Chongmai and kidney channels, we have Ren 7. We have with spleen and stomach channels is Ren 10. With the SI, triple burner and stomach channel is Ren 12. With the stomach and SI channels, we have Ren 13. With the spleen, kidney, SI, and triple burner channels, we have Ren 17. With the Yin Wei Mai, we have Ren 22 and Ren 23. With the Du Mai and lung and the LI and stomach channels, we have Ren 24. Of other channels with the Renmai, we have Du 28, stomach 1, and Du 1. No point is ascribed as the Gao Wu command point. As for the window of heaven point, we have Ren 22. The point of the 4 Cs is Ren 17. This is for the Qi. No point is ascribed as the Madanyang heavenly star point. For the Sun Si Miao ghost point, we have Ren 1 and Ren 24. Other functional points. The front me point of the bladder is Ren 3. Front me point of the small intestine is Ren 4. Front me point of the triple burner is Ren 5. Important general tonification point is Ren 6. Front me point of the stomach is Ren 12. Front me point of the heart is Ren 14. An important coming point is Ren 15. Front me point of the pericardium, which is also the point of the Sea of Qi, is Ren 17.